Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to design an animated blinking line in Figma, a perfect touch for making your forms feel interactive and just a bit more alive. This is a simple effect, but it can really improve the look and feel of your user interface, especially in those text input areas. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a smooth, blinking line animation step by step, using Figma's components, variants, and prototyping features. Alright, let's dive right in and bring some motion to your designs. To start, let's create the line itself. Just grab the line tool from the left sidebar and go ahead and draw a horizontal line wherever you want it on your frame. Make sure it's about the width you'd want for your text input field. Think of a login form, for example. Now, after you've placed your line, let's make it stand out a bit. Head over to the right side panel and bump up the stroke size. A thicker stroke really grabs attention and helps the animation become visible to your users. Otherwise, a thin line might be too faint to notice once it starts blinking. Don't be afraid to experiment with the thickness. A stroke of about 3 to 4 pixels usually looks great, but feel free to adjust it for your project. Now that we have a bold line set up, we're going to turn it into a component. This is a core step because components in Figma are reusable building blocks. They let us create variations and easily manage changes. With your line selected, look up to that little Create Component button or just press Command or Control plus Alt plus K. You'll see a purple outline appear and your line is now a component. Great. Next, let's add a variant to this component because the blinking effect needs more than just a static line. We want at least two looks. One with the line visible and one where it's invisible or faded out. Click the Add Variant button in the right panel. Figma will duplicate your component and arrange the two variants side by side. Think of these as two different frames in your animation. Here comes the magic, making the line invisible in the second variant. With that second variant selected, look over to the right and find Selection Colors. Click on the stroke color and then drag the opacity slider all the way down to 0. Don't worry if your line seems to vanish. That's exactly what we want for the blink effect. When the animation cycles through variants, it will essentially turn off the line here. Now let's wire this all up with some prototyping. Still with the component selected, jump over to the Prototype tab at the top right. You'll see a little node you can drag from your first variant to the second. After you've connected those, set the interaction to After Delay and set the delay to 500 milliseconds. Then choose Change To and select your second variant. What this does is it automatically switches to the invisible line after a brief pause, kind of like the blink of a cursor. The delay ensures the blink feels natural, quick, but not frantic. Last step. Click on the second invisible variant and add another interaction just like before. Connect it back to your original visible line variant. Set the after delay to 500 milliseconds again, but make sure the animation type is set to instant. Now the two variants will loop back and forth, creating that smooth, eye-catching blinking line effect. And there you have it, your very own animated blinking line in Figma. Try previewing it in prototype mode. You can use this same method for cursor animations or any other subtle UI animations you want to add. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tricks. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.